it's Shovelhead Fej out in the Shovelhead shed. I just shot another video. Sometimes I do introductions on my videos, sometimes I don't. I know I said that I was probably going to just start shooting one video a week, but sometimes I just get the urge and get a little bit of time. So I got a little bit of time. I shot another video. In fact, I shot it this morning. I was actually heading out to shoot a video, and I was on my way to open up the front gate for my wife, and then I seen something. I was like, no, I'm gonna make a video of this. So anyway, that's basically what this video is about. I started shooting at about 7 o'clock, and I edited it and shot it, edited it, and did the music and everything else, and it's probably like 10 o'clock, 10:30 now. You can't go by that clock right there because that clock is, the battery's dead in it. If you like, first of all, if you're new to my channel is about motorcycles, showing motorcycle and motorcyclist in a positive light. I'm kind of all over the road when it comes to my type of videos. Sometimes they're 100% hardcore biker videos, and then sometimes they're not. And this is one of those they're not type videos. It was just something that I seen today, and I was like, man, I just want to shoot this. I just want to make a video of it. I appreciate you guys watching my channel. I always think it's stupid to say like, share, and subscribe at the beginning of a video because you haven't even watched it yet. But anyway, this is what I'm doing the introduction. So if you see the video and if you find anything of interest in it, if you like it, I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. Always give me a comment. I try, no matter how many comments there are, I always try to answer them, do my best, because I feel like we're all family, and a lot of times I'm out and people recognize me and stuff like that, and they come say hi, and that's cool, man, and I love that, and I wish I could be friends with everybody because that's just my nature. I got nothing against nobody, race, creed, color, persuasion, whatever, man. We all ride motorcycles. We're all in the kind of the same club together, and we're all in the same race together, which is the human race. I appreciate you watching my videos. Of course, I'd like for my channel to grow. I'm a nobody and a nothing, and just a guy with a camera and a lens and a microphone. I ain't got nothing else really to offer other than just who I am and what I am. So if you can pass the word on, pass the video on, share it on Facebook and stuff like that, I appreciate it. And that's about it, man. Hope you like the video. It's a short one. Sometimes I do long ones, sometimes I do short ones. It all depends how things go and how the mood strikes me and stuff like that. So anyway, like I said, Shovelhead Fej. Most of you guys out there know me. And appreciate it, man. Like, share, and subscribe. And the video is that way. See ya. you.